Alright, today we're going to be working on this drab workspace and turning it into a monster workplace. Come join me, y'all. Alright, now what we're going to need for this project is everything pretty much I got from the dollar store. Pool noodles, plastic, some razor knives, some paintbrushes, paint, a little bit of that, you know what. Some skulls, and a heat gun. Alright, we're going to start out with these pool noodles. We're going to cut them down to size. Any way, shape, or form. All different sizes. All right, now we got these all cut up. We're going to take and wrap these in plastic. Plastic that we got from the dollar store. We're going to use our heat gun. We're going to wrap it and use our heat gun plastered onto the pool noodle. Alright, basically what I'm doing here is taking my hamstrings and tying everything down to the boards. Going all the way around with it. Now I'm just screwing down all the skeleton parts and the skulls and things to keep them up. Now we have them things hooked up. Pretty much just put screws in it to hold them tight. That's it. Now we're going to take and cover everything in plastic and shrink wrap everything. Alright, so here's what we have so far. So you got everything nice and tight. All the way across. Everything right where I want it. Now, I'm going to start painting. We're going to start with a darker color first. So I'm going to paint everything black. And we're going to go to light, dark, light, dark. This is what we're using. I got this from the Home Depot for like $3. It's just flat black, quick color. Also, when you're painting indoors, make sure you put a fan in your window. Alright, now we have this all done. We're going to move to the fine detail painting. Everything all blacked out, as you see here. Now we're going to start out with a mix of Dove Gray and also wicker white for the bone color of the skulls. Basically just going to cover the whole thing with this, the whole skull with this color. Making sure that I hit everything with this coat. Essentially going to be the underlayment what we're going to put on next. Yeah, so basically I did all this white beige for nothing because it doesn't even show up in the final product. But it's all good. It's all an experience. Now I'm just going to fill the rest of these up with the white again. Okay, now I have the flesh color done. I'm going to wait for this to all dry. We're going to move on to the next color. Alright, so I'm deciding I want to go back and corpse these up a little bit more. I think I can make it look a little bit better. Alright, so I was watching other videos. I couldn't quite get this right. So I think I got it now. This is like the end result. And I'm going to explain to you guys how this is done. So here we go. Basically just cut your long piece off like this. Get your heat gun. Put it down in one spot. Alright? Just let that thing do what it do. See that? Took me a little bit to get this. I kind of like it now. Couldn't get it right at first, but here it is now. Basically just moving the plastic around instead of putting it on there, rolling it up, and trying to make it look proper. Just let it do what it does. Just watch your hands so you don't burn yourself. That and shrivel up the stick. Yeah, don't be like this guy and not wear gloves. Trust me, you're gonna tear your hands up. Wear your gloves, kids. There it is. What y'all think about that? I'll do a little bit more. Here, give you a little bit more of an example. Now, the other videos I watched, they say to corpse it, but you don't get into like particular details like this. They say to put the plastic down over top of it, put the heat gun on it. You want your stuff to look a little bit more morbid like this is what you're going to have to do. See that? Move around with the heat gun. Keep going over until it melts and sticks. Kind of gives it kind of like a drippy look. Yeah. I'm gonna do just a little bit more off camera. Alright, now this was really bothering me, and I am so glad that I figured this out. Look at that. And it really, truly is an art form doing this. There is a technique to it. You just have to work with it. That's all it is. Until you get it. Once you get it, you got it. See that? See all that? It looks like veins. It's that drip coming off. Look at it. I love it. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Now we're gonna move on. And we're gonna start with a brown. Alright, so off camera I had a little bit of technical difficulties, like bringing out a brown. So I had to mix up my own brown, and this is the results. Now we're gonna take and do some details. I've taken caramel and I put a little bit of this Mars orange in there. We're gonna see how that comes out. We're gonna use that on it. Basically, just a little bit wetter than the dry brush. You like the access you got on there you don't like? Just rub it off. Yes, sir. Alright, so this is what we got. We're done tire brushing. Like the beige color. Now I'm going to start with the fine details. I'm going to start with like the cracks and crevices. And we're going to do then with the green. Basically a dry brush, just like I did before. I found my paintbrush. Oh, there it is. Basically, we're going to do more little cracks and stuff like that. Yes. and everything. This is a under $30 bill. So not nothing too fancy, but pretty good. Then we got that all done. Look at that. We'll start on another color. I'll do a lighter green, and I'm gonna think I'm gonna get a little funky with it. Do some purple. All right, it came out pretty good, huh? Love the color scheme of purple and green. Something about it. Let me know what y'all think. Like it, hate it. Think I could have done more? Let me know. Tell me something in the comments below. I'll see y'all on the next one, alright? Have a good one. Oh yeah, like I said, it was under $30. So the pool noodles were around $9 for 6 of them. I spent $3 on the drop cloths, $6 for the flat paint, acrylic paint. I'm just estimating. I used like 3 small bottles, I guess, around $6. The skulls and everything else I had laying around, so that brought it to $24. So we're just gonna round it up to a $30 bill. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, share on your social medias, and I'll see y'all on the next one.